guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the July Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club to show you. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the July 2026 Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing shirt subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what this month brings. I'm always super excited to see the color and to see the design. I already know I love the shirt. They use the Bella and Canvas soft blended unisex tees, which I pretty much live in all the time for years, ever since I found Bella and Canvas t-shirts. So I love that that's what they're on. They're super soft, super comfortable. And again, I just love to see what we get. So let's go ahead and dive in, and we're going to see what July brings us. And here we go. Ooh, I see the color already. You ready? Dun. Look it. That is like a dusty, rosy kind of like color. Super pretty. So let me go ahead and open it. And then even on the bag, the sticker changes every single month. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that. Love it. And that's exactly what this says. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that. And then she designed the life she loved. I love it. Every month you always get new cards. You can use them as like, you can write something on there and send it like a greeting card or like a postcard. You can use them for scrapbooking. You can use them for decorating. You can put them in frames. I've put them in frames, and I just got a new frame and it'll fit in it. I just need to rearrange my little setup here. But I do have a new frame for these specifically, and I love that. Oh, and we have another one too. This one says, stay close to what keeps you alive. Look at how beautiful. Love that. So here's all three of the cards. You also normally get one. Ooh, that is pretty. You always get like one little gift in here. Sometimes it could be jewelry or just like some kind of an accessory. This month we have a cute little bag, and they could be different colors or different designs, but this is the one that I received, and look at how beautiful. It's like a pale, like colored flowers, super pretty. You can use this for anything to drop stuff down inside. But again, that is just absolutely beautiful. I love the pale, kind of like watercolor. It looks kind of like water paint, or what is it called? Watercolor? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Hopefully. But I love that. And so for this month, it says, hey there, beautiful friends. Please find time to do what makes your soul happy. A walk in the park, time on the beach, or even a cup of coffee or your favorite tea. Enjoy those little things that make you happy, and no matter how crazy the world can get, know you are loved and can make a difference. Yes, that is from the owner. She always has a little note every month that changes as well. Same thing, it matches with the whole theme of the month, so I love it. Now let's go ahead and get into the shirt. Again, we already saw it's like this beautiful like dusty rose color. Whatever makes your soul happy, do that. Yes, I love it. So do you want to see it on? Here you go. There we go, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love the color, and I absolutely love the saying. I love that. Just do that. Whatever makes you happy, whatever just touches your soul, you do that. I love it. So what do you guys think of the color? What do you think of the saying? This is this month's, and again, our free gift with it is this cute little makeup bag that I absolutely love the design on. Okay, you guys. So that is, again, the July 2026 Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club. If you'd like some more information about the subscription, there's actually two different ones. first, let's go ahead and talk about this one. Again, you have your t-shirt and then the free monthly gift that you get. It changes all the time, so you never know what you get, just a little surprise. You can do that. It's normally $24.95, but it's currently on sale for $19.95 per box. You can select size small all the way up to size 4XL for the clothing, the shirt size. If you would like to save money, you can do a 3-month subscription at $73. A 6-month subscription would be $147. And then a 12-month subscription would be $294 for all 12 months with the 12 t-shirts and the 12 free gifts. They also have another subscription. That one is more just like the accessories only. There's no t-shirt in that one. It's all accessories. So you can do the boutique bag VIP membership for $29.99 or the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership for $39.99. And any of them you can cancel at any time. They will all be listed down below in the description for you to pop on over and check them out. I do have my own code, SheCrafty20, and that will save you 20% off your first subscription if you are interested. So SheCrafty20 will save you 20% off. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.